Hello everyone, myself Ritu. I am studying second year BCom in Government First Grade College, Chikkanaikanalli, which belongs to Tumakuru University. Firstly, I wish to thank my lecturers who gave me a chance to improve my skill and ability. The speeching competition was organized by Padma Shri Madam, Department of the English, and Sudharani Madam, Department of the Commerce. Here I am going to explain about the domestic violence against women during the lockdown period. Lockdown and rise in domestic violence, how to tackle the situation if the lockdown with an abuser. Domestic violence involves a pattern of the psychological, physical, mental and financial abuse. The act of the threats, humiliation and intimidation is also as an act of the violence. Although home may be safe for some, but it is not safe for the all. In fact, with COVID-19 lockdown in place, there has been a surge in all cases. All over the world, victims of the domestic violence is more vulnerable and at a risk to the frightening with a new degree of the violence. Here, the India National Commission for Women have raised a urgent alert about the increasing a number of the domestic violences cases since the national lockdown began. What health risks are involved with the victims of the domestic violences? In addition of the violation of the rights of the human, victims of the domestic violences can face several difficulties like physical and mental, such as the depression, sexual disorders and the substance abuse. Distance from the social supportive system is also another reason for increasing a number of the cases in domestic violences during this period. Normal victims flee a violent situation by staying elsewhere, but that option is not available right now. The terminology lockdown itself is quite overwhelming and gives a sense about of the being trapped. This compounded with stress may leads to the higher victim of the level like perpetrator project of frustration to the higher level of the victim. Children too have a increasing cases of the domestic violences during this period. Increasing of a anxiety, job insecurity and the sexual disorders and the physical and mental some financial worries have been a predictor of the parents. It can be considered to the abuse. What neighbors can do when the domestic violences is occurred. What victims of the domestic violences is must remember, they do not blame themselves for what happening to them. They have to make a plan about their safety because the violence is unacceptable and the perpetrator is 100% responsible. The option of the reporting a problem to the police is always available. However, the problem is by the people can make a safe plan for themselves and not to blame themselves if the victim is intent in that course of the action. The people have to make safety plans for themselves and give a alert to people who live with a threatening situation. Thank you all.